gang, it's your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day as always. Today I'm here in the beautiful city of Beverly Hills for the 2026 Beverly Hills Concourse d'Elegance. We're here walking around. It is crowded as hell. There's a lot of people, a bunch of people. Right now we're gonna walk over to the actual main event and see what kind of cars there are. What was that? God damn. The hell was that?
Smoking?
I don't know. Oh shit. Alright you guys, we are here.
Yeah.
It is crowded as fuck. Holy. We got a Mercy right here, Roadster, and then next to this one we have a 812 Comp. Sheesh. Here at this booth, like I said, they have the Mercy here, 812 Comp. Look, carbine 812 Comp Aperta. This thing is worth well over $1 million, bro. Here in the red carpet, and then we have a freaking Bugatti over there. That's crazy as fuck. Bro, this 812 Comp Aperta has freaking carbon fiber wheels. Literally, side skirts, diffuser, the wheels. That shit's nice. Then right here we have a Bugatti Chiron. Here we have this insane Mercy with the crazy body kit. We actually saw this one in Crystal Cove not that long ago. Bro, look at this Maybach right here at the Mercedes booth. Have the little logo in the hood and the freaking grille too. This thing is sick. Here at the official Ferrari booth, we have a Ferrari SF90XX Spider. That is a long ass name. This thing is so clean. The red on yellow. Look at carbon fiber on the hood too. Literally down the middle. This thing's low-key clean. Old school Beamer. I finally found the section I was looking for. We have a Gordon Murray T50 here. This thing is so nice. This one reminds me of the Speedtail low-key because the side mirrors are also cameras right there. And then you also sit in the middle in this one, so you get two people on each side. This is the one I actually wanted to see here, to be honest. The Aston Martin Valkyrie Spider, black on red. The red down here is actually red carbon. This thing is insane. Next to the Valkyrie, we have a black F50. And then next to the F50, we have a CGT. I'll go over there right now to look at them. But let's admire this gorgeous Valkyrie, bro. Even the windshield wiper is carbon. This thing is crazy. Here is the Ferrari F50 that I just showed you guys. That is the owner. That's crazy. I wonder how much this model is worth since it's not finished in the iconic red or yellow paint. Bro, the entirety of Rodeo River Drive is shut down for this event. This thing is crazy. So crazy and insanely packed. I'm just glad it's not sunny, to be honest. Parked in front of the Gucci store, we have a Lamborghini Countach. Sheesh. This thing is nice. It's really well taken care of. Also parked in front of the Gucci store, we have a Ferrari LaFerrari. This is nice, bro. I love the side mirrors. Lamborghini Miura right there. Oh shit. In front of the Dior, we have a classic Ford GT. Oh, Diablo. Jeez. Yeah, bro, this whole event's so crowded, but we're gonna walk across the street because there's two Valhallas right there. Bro, look at these things, bro. Carbon right there, the diffuser, the side skirt, the whole freaking roof, side mirrors. I love how the side mirrors fold up when you lock it. Damn. Which one would you guys take? The green Valhalla or the white Valhalla? Oh my god. These things are sick. There's literally just supercars flying up and down. That shit's nice. Everyone's taking pictures with these two Valhallas. Check this Bugatti out. Super sport. Dang, just parked in the lounge. Crazy. White on red. I actually think I took a picture of this one inside the McLaren showroom. McLaren Bugatti of Beverly Hills. There's a Utopia on that side that I really want to record. We'll go with that right now. Looks like we have a Lamborghini Sian here. I actually recorded this one not that long ago as well at the Peterson Automotive Museum. A Lamborghini Sian Roadster. This thing is insane. We have like all the facts over there. One of 19. This thing is nice. Well, this is another car I wanted to see, but I couldn't record over there because it was crowded. But I guess being here is my best bet. We have a Koenigsegg Gesco Absolute. It has carbon fiber wheels, and then in the back it has a carbon fiber disc on the back wheels. This thing is beautiful. It kind of looks like the other Gesco that's here in SoCal, but that one is a Attack. This one's an Absolute, the other one is an Attack. Sheesh. All right, we've made our way in. We're now looking at all the, look at this. Check this out, another Valhalla. It's crazy. This thing can go up to 80 miles an hour in EV mode. Yeah, carbon fiber roof. Look at the matte black paint. It has like glitter in it too. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. McLaren Elva in full red carbon. This is crazy. Bro, that's crazy. There's only 149 Elvas we have made. Look at your rear view mirror. Tiny as hell. Check this thing out. McLaren Special Operations SLR. Custom interior. I love that paint though. Then finally in the end we have a Seazinger. I don't know what model. Seazinger. Green carbon. Crazy. This car is actually 3D printed. The internals are 3D printed. That front splitter sticks out so much. Even the side skirts. Look at that hidden little roof scoop right there. This thing is beautiful. Bro, look at the rear on this thing, bro. Entirely carbon fiber. I said I wasn't gonna record it anymore, especially from, I was over there earlier, but you're now in the back. This thing is beautiful. I love these little fins it has right here. My goodness. Koenigsegg Gesco Absolute. Alright, this next car that I want to record is gonna be a little tricky because there's a lot of people around it, but we have a Pagani Utopia here. In red carbon, finished in red carbon. This thing is beautiful. Pagani is literally art, bro. Oh my god. I like these like little leather straps that hold the back, like the engine cover. Look at those side mirrors. You guys already know the side mirrors story. Horacio Pagani, the founder of Pagani, designed the side mirrors off his wife's eyes. All right, you guys, we are now on the opposite side. We were over there earlier. We have an A12 GTS right there. This thing is way too crowded. And the sun's starting to come out, so I'm about to start sweating. They got the freaking Batmobile car here. Look how thick these freaking tires are. This thing is sick. All right, guys, we are in the infamous Erewhon store. We got $20 smoothies, bro. Alright, got my freaking expensive ass smoothie, 20 bucks a pop. It's crazy for a smoothie, but we're still here in Beverly Hills. Look what we have here. Ferrari F8. Sheesh. Bro, what the fuck? Why are those tires so small? Bro's having like a whole show. Bro, we're now wandering off in Beverly Hills. I feel so out of place, bro. I feel so out of place. I don't belong here. Bro, there's a freaking F8, SF90, and a Senna GTR right there. Kind of got to stand back here because they have hella security. I'm gonna try my best, maybe, I don't know, to see if I could get up close and record it, but I doubt it. Probably gonna get yelled at. There's just so much going on at this hotel. You got a Rolls Royce, looks like a GT2, Per Songway. Don't know what kind of classic that is. Senna, GTR, SF90, F8. And then a freaking Rolls Royce is rolling up, wow. Then we have a 6x6 across the street with a 4x4 square in front of it. Wow. Fuck it, I'm going in. I'm probably gonna get yelled at, but F8, SF90, and a Senna GTR on track tires. This thing still has the track tires on there. This thing has a lot of carbon fiber. I believe this is the same Senna GTR that we were recording and cruising with not that long ago.